Alright, so the '06 Malibu is done. I just got done cleaning out the inside of the car, wiping it down for the customer. Like I said, this is the Pioneer double DIN radio. The dash kit, like I said, the wiring harness and everything was all in one kit. The only thing it didn't come with was an antenna adapter. I had an extra one of them, so I ain't even charging for that. But like I said, with this type of car, your oil life, tire pressure sensors, everything is ran through the radio. So the kit comes with this little LCD panel that you still able to go through and look at all your information as if you know, the stock radio is still in there. So, and then like I said, it keeps everything retained basically. So but yeah, that's basically it. Clean the inside out for them, and that's it, man. Nothing not to do.